Taeyong WYLD MV. There's two Tays that are coming out with new-ish right now. It's Taeyong from Big Bang and Taeyong from NCT. Fine.
Ow! Jump scare.
What the hell? Oh shit.
He wasn't ready.
Oh, he looked dangerous. Just bring what to you? Oh my god. Was that actual ant on his neck? I don't think so. What are these close-up shots? Wait, his eye. Sorry, I'm listen. If you want to watch the music video without me like interrupting it, go check it out. Link in the description. But since I'm doing my reaction, I'm gonna do whatever I want. His eye did the same thing. Oh. I look sassy but natty, like natural? Like sassy natural? Is he on the ceiling? No, that's the flow. Oh, I'm not ready for that. I was not ready for that. What? The little move? Boy, you dangerous for that. No. Oh, okay, switch up. Damn. Oh shit! I didn't know he was like. Is it weird that the only? Is it weird that the WYLD I know spelled like that is like a brand that y'all shouldn't do? You know what? I'm gonna just leave it like that. But it's just now it's gonna be a Taeyong song. Oh, he doing the most, bro. Oh hell nah. Is that pomegranate? Oh shit. Ah! With no warning. I didn't check any teaser or trailer. Oh. Animalistic? Oh. What is this switch up? Better know. Oh. Oh. What the what am I looking at? What am I watching? What is the story? It's like Venom? You know what pisses me off? That shirt, that better be a shirt that somebody like made look dirty. And that shirt better not be sold for thousands of dollars, because that would piss me off. Because if that shirt was sold for thousands of dollars, what is this? We liking our la-la-las. Bring what to you? Bring that ass? Okay. Ooh. Oh, I kind of like that. The outro of this. Like teeth grinding almost, kind of. Oh, is his first album? Well, with the music video, it kind of go crazy. That music video kind of go crazy though. Like the visuals he be putting out. I don't know, but them lyrics. What do you say? I'm here.
I'm here, break it. I like sassy.
I like sassy but natty. No, he was getting freaky. I mean, he's freaky right here, but he going extra freaky here. Okay, I think I watched enough. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.